I just left the gym, just hit chest. But in the words of the great late Whitney Houston, I don't do crack. Crack is whack. I don't know why that's so funny to me. Anyways, I just hit chest. We went a little heavier on chest, focused on 5x5s. And just before this video starts, I just want to let you know that Kwame was recording. When I got to 300 pounds, he didn't think I was going to get it. So on the fourth rep, he stopped it, which was crazy because, like, why wouldn't I get it? You know what I mean? Anyway, okay. Anyway, all right, okay, anyways. So here's the video. By the time you see this, obviously, it'll be on there because I'm going to put this video in it. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Any questions, hit me up. And, oh yeah, share this video. If you can share it, it'd be greatly appreciated. Anything else, it's your boy King Rob, I'm Fit. I'm out. I just want to show y'all something. You see how these 55s is all black and brown? And these, see, 115s, all like silver and new. People scared to touch these weights. Don't be scared to touch them.
You know, I'm not telling you to do these workouts because I think they're good workouts. I'm telling you to do these workouts because it's a proven method and it works. You know, I want to tell you to do something that I want to do myself. If you want to be great, you got to work like you're great.